One of the things which is very much inspired me, it is from Starbucks. You know the coffee shop of Starbucks, probably Guwahati also there you may have. The Starbucks he was the son of truck driver. In the USA and UK, out of 10 doctors, 6 doctors belong to India. And that is to be a great strength. Actually, I received this 7th delete. Out of which 4 delete which I received, they are related with the agriculture science. I suggest him that you have a lot of export for Bangladesh for petrol and diesel. Then why you are not adding 20% ethanol in petrol and giving to the Bangladesh? Even when I was shipping minister, I tried my level best in Brahmaputra to start our ship and using the engines on ethanol and methanol. So now Kisan will be Annadata, Urja Data, Bitumen Data and Hawaii Indan Data. At the time I reject the tender of Dhirubhai Ambani, Reliance at that time. There was a big controversy because he was quoted 3,600 crore and my estimate was 1,800 crore. I reject that tender. There was a big controversy. The 3 project cost coming to at least 3,500 crore. So then they asked me, if only you have 5 crore, how you are going to complete this project? You are a politician. Whatever you declare, you suppose that we should write it. What you have, how you are going to complete this project? One of the things which is very much inspired me, it is from Starbucks. The Starbucks he was the son of truck driver and his mother was nurse. He was working in a coffee shop. But after that, he started his own coffee shop. And his story is a very successful story. Now, presently, he have 24,000 coffee shops in the world. And he written a book. And there is one of the famous statement he is written that when you will get success, only you are happy. Your subordinate, your cooperative people, your other stakeholders, they don't have any reaction, but only you are only happy. Then there is no meaning to your success. But when you get success, the people subordinate you, your other stakeholders, they have more happiness than you. That is to be the true meaning of success. Our software engineers doing excellent job. They are well reputed in all over the part of the world. In the USA and UK, out of 10 doctors, 6 doctors belong to India. And that is to be a great strength. Now the problem is in our country, if we can increase our export, we can develop our industry. I'm in charge minister for automobile industry. When I taken charge as a minister in 2014, the automobile industry number in the world was 7. But 2 months before, we have just surpassed Japan, and now our number is 3rd. The first number is China, 2nd is USA, and 3rd is India. And my mission as a minister to make Indian automobile industry in 5 years number 1 in the world. I am only talking this thing on the basis of you, people like you, your research, your technology, your innovation. And that is really very important. We have got all reputed brand in the world now in India. At the time when I taken as a minister, charge as a minister for automobile industries with me, this industry creates 4 crore 50 lakh jobs. This is the industry which is giving maximum GST to the central and state government. And this is the industry which have maximum export. The strong political will, the honesty, the credibility, transparency and quality is very important. I am just giving the example in my life. When I was minister in Maharashtra, in Mumbai, I got opportunity to construct Mumbai-Pune Express Highway. At the time, I reject the tender of Dhirubhai Ambani, Reliance at that time. There was a big controversy because he was quoted 3,600 crore and my estimate was 1,800 crore. I reject that tender. There was a big controversy. Then somewhere I formulate organization MSRDC in Maharashtra, raising fund from the capital market. And once when I was in Pune, the young journalist from Indian Express asked me a question. How much money you have? I just frankly tell him that I got only 5 crore. How much money you will have for completing this project? The 2 project, flyover project and Mumbai-Pune Express Highway and Worli-Bandra, the 3 project costs coming to at least 3,500 crore. So then they asked me, if only you have 5 crore, how you are going to complete this project? You are a politician. Whatever you declare, you suppose that we should write it. What you have, how you are going to complete this project? I just tell him honestly that if there is a will, there is a way. And if there is no will, there is only survey, discussion, seminar, committee, subcommittee, and research group. I'm not talking about your university. We need to develop fast-track decision-making process. My dream was taking amphibious seaplane from Delhi and coming to Guwahati by amphibious seaplane, and plane will land in Brahmaputra. But actually, I am not the minister now. But we have started this experiment. It is successfully implemented in Mumbai. And after that, Prime Minister also taken that train, amphibious seaplane, and he used it for going to Sardar Sarovar. It can be possible. We have already constructed 29 roads they can use as an airstrip. And it is a great pleasure and pride for me as a farmer that today our Kisan, we name it as Annadata. But because of this biofuel, the Kisan is now becoming Urja Data. And now we have a successful technology in Delhi from Central Research Organization and Petroleum Institute of Dehradun that we can make bitumen from rice straw, which is also available in your state. And the fourth is, now in Panipat, the project is already started, and we are making bio-aviation fuel from rice straw and adding 10% fuel, bio-aviation fuel, into petroleum aviation fuel. So now Kisan will be Annadata, Urja Data, Bitumen Data, and Hawaii Indan Data. Now you people like you, young talented student, you need to find out what are the imports in our country and what are the export in our country. Now all type of technology is available. Our country has got tremendous potential. The young talented engineering manpower, number 1 is India, available in India. It is a great pride for us. The Ashok Leyland is a company which has already launched truck and buses on 100% methanol. Now in Bangalore, I got approval to launch that truck. And at the same time, the state transport of Karnataka started 25 buses, adding 15% methanol into the diesel. Successfully, project is implemented. It is proven. The Assam lot of where we are using now diesel. Diesel is the hazardous fuel. We have the import of 16 lakh crores of fossil fuel, creating pollution in our country. And now it is the time for you, people like you who are going to have a good research. Even when I was shipping minister, I tried my level best in Brahmaputra to start our ship and using the engines on ethanol and methanol. Why we are using in Assam petrol and diesel and creating pollution? This type of fuel we need experiment and research work. It is really a great pleasure for me to receive delete. Actually, I don't know whether I am capable for that. But I am giving my special thanks to university and university management, chancellor and vice chancellor for giving me this delete. It is a pride and pleasure for me. Anything when the people recognize you, that is going to be give you a motivation, and that motivation is also helpful for you to making lot of things in the future. Actually, I received this 7th delete, out of which 4 delete which I received, they are related with the agriculture science. In Numaligarh, we have a refinery where we are making ethanol from bamboo, and bamboo is a strength for Northeast. Just 1 month before, I got opportunity to meet with the managing director of Numaligarh refinery. Previously, he was in MECL in Nagpur. I suggest him that you have a lot of export for Bangladesh for petrol and diesel. Then why you are not adding 20% ethanol in petrol and giving to the Bangladesh? It is going to create job potential and giving good opportunity to the people of Northeast for bamboo economy. I feel that you need to understand what are the futuristic technology, what is the futuristic development, and what is the futuristic planning. The people like you need to plan in a way by which we can make the success story of the futuristic experiments.